So I'm planning on cutting off most of my hair because, why not? And anytime I'm planning up kind of an interesting look, I do like to look up like motivational pictures, ideas, and stuff like that. And one thing that I really like to do is look at my own renditions or previous renditions of the idea or look. So I decided I'm going to compile all the times I ever cut my own hair, and I mean bangs and all, to kind of remind myself of why I'm doing it. Yeah, let's go through all the times I ever cut my own hair. Oh, this is amazing. Oh my god! Keep cutting, I know it's gonna feel a bit there. Alright. Haha! I trust you.
Ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go from a bit lower so I can.
Alright, yeah. I got bored of long hair-ish, long-ish hair. It wasn't even that long. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how to sort of cut your own hair yourself with the help of your significant other. Yours.
I want this one because I cut it.
That one you want? I personally am so okay with dyeing my hair, but wasn't really with cutting it, so I'm like, damn it, I'm gonna just give it a go. I was feeling very impromptu, as you could tell. By the way, this is my new color. Oh my god, I look insane. Guess what we're doing today? Today I'm actually going to be following one of Brad Mondo's hairdresser's guide to cutting your own hair and not ruining it. Today we're gonna do that.
And buying some hairdresser scissors. They're not expensive.
26 euros.
Right on the shoulder. So if your shoulders were there, it'd be like this. Exactly how it should lay. Make sure to keep tension on that hair at all times. And in the front, don't worry if you have pieces coming off. That's totally fine. Those are just your layers. That's just face framing you have going on right now. We're going to take that section and we're going to start point cutting.
Yeah, you really wouldn't be able to do this with office scissors or kitchen scissors.
Look at that first section. Ah! Let's let the... We're going to take our scissors, and you see that slight bend happening in the front? It kind of goes down a little bit because of the over direction we had on the shoulder.
In my case, I don't really have that because I already have bangs. So I think I'm actually just going to even out the rest of the length normally.
Okay, point cutting, all right? Bring your fingers to the bottom. Hold it like this, and you're just going to take off that high point. So it's a little bit like bing, bing, bing. Just get rid of that.
babe.
Oh, babe.
And that's how you cut. Ugh. And that's how you cut your hair at home. This is what you're gonna do. I actually have a hair gown. Today I'm gonna use it to protect my clothing. If your hair is super wavy or super curly, try straightening it beforehand. Nothing too crazy, just a bit the ends because they are so dry. So that is how I personally cut my hair. I hope you'll give it a go. It is just a very kind of a quick hack. It is by no means a substitute for an actual haircut, but it is just something that I do when I don't want to get a haircut. Hey, next section. I cut my hair. We're back, baby. We're back in business. I might be doing something stupid today. Well, not stupid. That would be hypocritical of me. But a bit mildly stupid. That's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna cut a fringe on myself. Yay! You put on a cape to protect your clothes and your sanity. What are we doing, Stella? Who knows? No one knows. I'm going to cut off the very beginning portion and then kind of use that to kind of form the, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm a bit nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like my fringe needs to be just thicker. In general, it has to be thicker. We need more. We're getting there. We're getting there, gang. Look at all this purple silver here. Oh yeah. So what do you do for a living, Stella? Oh, you know, I'm an artist, digital marketing, an interior designer. And like that, we went from boring to fun, exotic, foreign. Basically, anyone with bangs to me is foreign. I just wish to say that A, I've done this before. B, I don't really care how it turns out. C, at least I'll make a good damn video. And D, I have a lot of wigs and extensions. If you feel that none of those apply to you, do not, and I repeat, do not try this yourself. Oh, yes. I don't know, I feel like this is fitting today. It just suits my look. It's got like pinks and golds and it's a headband, but it looks like a tiara, and I like that. I respect it. First thing to do, as always, is get rid of our fuzzy slivers. I'm still wearing them in August, and they're still once again going to get covered in hair if I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna do it exactly the same as last time, wherein I'm going to separate most of my hair, leaving literally just the tiniest sliver of hair, and then cutting that and then using that as my guideline. Again, I'm gonna do my very, very, very best not to touch the front length. I want to keep that. I want to shorten the back. Granted, I probably will touch it. So. Okay, so with this last section, you could really and truly see what I was on about, where it was just like planing backwards, which is obviously not what I was going for. So let's fix it one last time. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But I think after what, an hour of doing this and cutting off very little amounts of hair, I think I got more or less what I was going for. Sides are different lengths. But I am actually too tired to do anything. I let it grow out a bit longer and then I'll probably go to like a stylist. That is the idea. But for now, I'm gonna stay and do nothing because I'm bored. Here's a really fun tip. Don't wear glossy lips if you're about to cut bangs. But I'm feeling super glamorous and I also don't care. Oh my god, emerald fringe. Because the rest of my hair is blue, but this is still emerald, so that's fun. We're going to see what we can come up with. I feel like I should change this lip color. I don't think it's matching with what we're doing. Is my lip green? I had brown on. we're gonna cut like this, so again, there's no harsh lines. Hey, you're looking good. Okay, let's trim this bit. I think I need it to be thicker. So this is our second trimming. Looks a bit rough, but we're kind of getting there. So. Not really sure what kind of a bang this is, but I'm gonna take it. This one's so cute! Ooh. Ooh. This is probably my favorite style because, as I said, I really, really like shaggy like looks and hairstyles and everything. Oh my god, look how little money piece I have left, but I kind of like that. That's it. That's all I need in life is a good curtain bang. All I need in life is a good bang. Yep. Okay, I'm convinced. Expect a haircut from me sometime before the end of this year because I want to do it like entering 2021 with like a new fresh look. Very nice. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video. Bye.